Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send an email in ConvertKit. Now once you launch the dashboard, I want you to come here and click on send and then click on email template, or you can click here on create a new and then click on email template. Okay, whichever one you prefer, but now we'll go ahead and create a template to be able to send an email. Now what you can go ahead and do is pick from any of their starting points right here, or you could pick from the classic templates. They even have a template library, or you can actually import your own code as well. Okay, now I'll come here to classic templates and let's pick something simple. Let's say this one right here. And these are what they have on their marketplace. They have some paid ones and free ones as well. You can filter these. As you can see right here, these are $19. These are paid. Now let's come back here to our email template that we are going to be using. Now you can go ahead and name this if you would like. You can change the name, but now you can go ahead and add the content here, okay? So let me add something. Here we go. And you can easily, go ahead and change the formatting. Let's say I highlight my name right here. I can click here on bold and make this bold as such. If you want, you can go ahead and add more. You can press that plus icon to go ahead and add more. As you can see, you can do headings, paragraphs, different styles, or you can just click enter to add new blocks as well. Okay, there you go. You can come here and click and press the / and you can add different paragraphs, different styles, or you can add buttons, links, okay, snippets, dividers, images, anything you want, file, for example. But we'll come back here and now we can go ahead and design it as you please. Can customize this. And then all you need to do is go ahead and make sure it's saved. So as you can see up here, it gets saved automatically, as you can see. And I'll also go ahead and rename this to welcome email, okay? Email, there we go. Now, as you can see, it is saving and now it's saved. I want you to come here at the top, click on send, and then click on broadcast. So now we're going to be actually sending the email using the template we have created. So here under broadcast, click here on new broadcast, and then we'll be selecting our starting point. So we have templates that we were using. This is our welcome email. So I'll click on this one right here. Okay, as you can see, this is our campaign, right? And you can go ahead and change your subject line. There we go. I've changed it to welcome to answer ASAP. And once you're happy with this, all you need to do is click on continue. And then we will be publishing this broadcast. So we're going to be sending an email. So click on send email. And this will be the from address. And they will ask you who you would like to send this to. So you can either send this to all of your subscribers right here, or you can do filters. Okay, you can go ahead and filter it by, for example, first name, right, within segments, cold subscriptions as well. You can do those filters if you would like and when you would like to send them. So we can go ahead and send it right now. Okay, and then you can see advanced options as well. So let's go ahead and send this to our 25 subscribers. So we'll click here on continue. And then just go ahead and review everything and then click on send broadcast. There you go. It says sending now. And as you can see, it has been sent to a total of 25 recipients. Let's go ahead and click here to see the recipients. And if I come to my email here, you can see that the email was actually sent, right? And as you can see, it even has the built with Kit watermark. And there you go. That is how you can go ahead and send an email in ConvertKit.